How to add collaborator on your Wix website. We're going to use the search bar here and we're going to search for rows. And we want to click on rows and permissions. So from here, it will take us to another page. So it's going to look like this. We want to click on rows and permissions here. And then we will click on this button to invite collaborators. And here's where we type out the person's email address. So you can type out their email address at gmail.com. And here you can make them an admin or co-owner. You can make them the website manager, the website designer, the back office manager, the content writer. You can also add CMS roles to them. You can make them or give them billing roles, marketing manager, store owner, store manager. You can look at all of these roles and you can even customize your own role with different permissions. And after you have checked whichever button you would like or whichever role you would like to give them, you will click on this button to send the invite, and then they will get it by email and they can accept it. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.